Well, hello, PBZ. What a way to wake me up.
Some power outages. Locations impacted include Homewood, North Georgetown. Seek shelter indoors and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Locations impacted include Homewood, North Georgetown. Seek shelter indoors and stay away from windows. Nearshore forecast. Please report severe weather by the following nearshore locations.
Okay.
Ohio to Richmond, New York, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, southwinds 10 knots or less, becoming southwest. Sunny.
Well then.
1 foot or less. Sunday night, south winds 5 to 15.
What a way to wake me up, PBZ. What a way to wake... Wait, wow. It's freaking... It's midnight! PBZ! Okay, guys. Well, I'll see you in the next video. And yeah. I was shocked by this too, so... Yeah.